Happy Friday! It's Friday, first day of the year, and we have a nice little project going on today. Grateful for the work. We are doing some paver sealing today. So I'll show you a little bit on the project. This is a project over on the plantation, Amelia Allen Plantation on the Omni. And this is a beautiful backyard paver setup with a fire pit that, shout out to Beautiful Blooms, had installed. They are a very high-end landscaping company. They do a lot of different items, and you'll see them a lot on the plantation because they are definitely one of the premier companies to work with to get anything you need done. You can see just how beautiful not only the pavers but the landscaping is. And here's this beautiful fire pit. So this is going to be our first project. We're going to seal this guy. It's going to actually be a penetrating sealer for this type of stone. And then when we finish, you can see got it all cordoned off, because when we finish we're going to seal these pavers with a 2-part polyurethane sealer. A lot of people ask about sealing. Should I seal my pavers? Well, if you want to protect them and make them look beautiful, absolutely. We use Trident. Trident is designed to help with our area. It's a water-based sealer that's really designed to protect the stones for the humid environment. A lot of people will go with a cheaper sealer, a 1-part, and unfortunately that's not designed for our area. You really want a water-based sealer that is going to handle the moisture, because we get a lot of rain, we get a lot of different items here, and with a water-based sealer you don't have a high failure rate. If you use a cheaper sealer that's not designed for our area, you have a high rate of failure. If it fails, you can't just clean it off. You actually have to chemically strip it, which doubles your cost next time. So do your research, make sure that you get a good sealer. It's not always the best thing to get the cheapest price, especially for a service like this. Our sealer is a minimum of 3 years up to 6 years, depending on where it's at. Driveways obviously aren't as long. So do your research, make sure you get a good sealer, and always find a good contractor, have them come out, do an estimate, talk to you, make sure they understand. Like for example today, Monday it was 75. We were planning on prepping and sealing on Tuesday. Unfortunately with sealer, you've got rain, it's an issue, and you also have temperature. And in the winter, Tuesday it went down to like 50 was a high. So we had to push our seal date off. We cleaned it on Monday, but now we're back here on Friday because of weather. Like right now, we're 58, gonna go up to 65 today. So it's perfect, it's ideal, it's right in the range. And you can see I'm testing right now. You can see what the concrete is. It's in the 50s, and that's kind of our sweet spot. We want to be between 50 and 90 degrees when we seal. So we're going to wait just a little bit. It's right at it right now. But if we try to do this on Tuesday, we'd have bad adhesion and a really high chance for failure. So make sure that you get a good contractor that understands the product, has good support. One of the products, the main reason why we use Trident is because the contractors, I can send them a message if I have a question. They'll support us. If we have a failure, they'll support us. So it's a really good company, Trident. But that's it. All right, we're going to get sealing. Say hi, everybody. It's Friday. Be happy, guys. All right, have a great day. If you have any questions, if you need any quotes, give us a call, 904-849-5430. Thanks.